see just ice everywhere. God have mercy. Oh my goodness. Whew. I feel like I'm in Narnia. Snow Queen took over everything. No, this must be like what it's like to be at the wall in Game of Thrones. Yeah, look at all that ice on there. Wow. That's insane. That's all like solid ice. Like, whoa. Oh my gosh, I just broke the tree. Really envying you right now. Look at this. Leaves are like frozen into place. It's an oak tree. Oak, yeah. Holy mac, like look at that. Wow. It's incredible. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, let me break it off. Kill the poor tree. Or is it already dead? No, it's slightly bent. Maybe it can bounce back, right? It's still good, it's still good. It's a little bent over. It's still good, it's still good. I don't know if I can press the button. It's frozen. Yeah, I made it. Everything is frozen. Look at that. Oh, yeah, it's frozen. Okay. See? That's split into 3 pieces. It's crazy, right? It's in 3 pieces.